Welcome to this week's video. So you probably have already heard that the Fed dropped the rates by 0.5 point. That probably sounds like great news. It does give us some relief on the high interest rates that we have. We're going to have some volatility for the next couple days just to see how the market reacts to this news. But most likely you're going to start seeing the interest rates go down even further down, right? So that is the good news, is that it's going to bring down the interest rate. And now you're not going to have a situation where you have houses that are at a very high price, but at the same time you have very high interest rates, make it almost impossible to be affordable. Now you're still going to have the higher price homes, but you're going to have the lower interest rates, and that's going to give you a better path to affordability. But there's another side to this coin, and that is that the more affordable the interest rates will be, the more other buyers are going to be willing to jump into the market. As you might know, there's many people who have not sold their homes since 2000, when interest rates were around 3% or 2. And they're called, or the reason why they're not selling is because they have golden handcuffs, right? They're not willing to part away from a 3% or a 2% loan in order to get to a new house that was going to have, let's say around April, May, around 8%, right? And now around mid sixes, low sixes, and probably we will see mid fives coming up. So now they're willing to go ahead and sell their home and jump into the market. What would that be an issue? Well, the issue is that they're going to have a ton of equity. So they will be able to jump into the market, go ahead and make an offer, and probably start overpaying for homes, right? They probably can't pay cash for homes. But the most troubling for me will be the overpaying of homes, because if that happens, that is going to actually start increasing the value of homes. And if homes were already high, well, it's going to make it even higher. So there's two things that we're looking at here. If the homes go up higher, then we're going to be in the same issue, affordability, right? And number two, if you're going to have plenty of people that are able to go ahead and pay more than the value of the home, right, or overbid on the property, then it's going to take away the ability for other people to purchase those homes. So I want to invite you to start very seriously looking into getting into a contract. I much rather see you under contract, and then as time goes by, see where the interest rates land, than you being left out. And yeah, you're walking around with a paper that says that you qualify for X amount of a home with a 6% interest rate, or 6 1/8, or 6 1/4, whatever, and yet you can still get into a home. So it is important that you are active out there, that you try to get into a home as soon as possible, and that you allow this market, what the market is giving you, you take advantage of it. You start utilizing it in order for you to become a homeowner in 2024. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Text me at 480-542-8890, and I will be more than happy to talk to you. Have a wonderful weekend.